I'm just brushing through the codes, and based on the feedback that I get in my comment section, I'm going to elaborate more on each of the codes. But the most important thing is understanding the basics. So if you understand the if statement, anything or any manipulation that I can make, for example, if I add another if like this to the already if, or you can just add multiple if statements so that if this one doesn't work, you check another one, and if all are giving you negative, then you run the else statement. But for today, what I'm going to show you is how do you let Java accept user input. You know, in C++, you use cin to accept user input, and the user input is based on the IO stream. But in Java, it's called scanner. So before you can accept user input, you have to call the scanner library. So this is how you call a library. You go under your package name, then you type import, then Java. Okay, so it depends on the type of import you are making based on the what you want to do. But for this user input specifically, you need to call the scanner. I'm not going to talk much about the import right now because in the future I will definitely talk about it. So after calling the scanner, I think we have a problem over here. This is our class. I think there is a problem with the multiple ifs that we added. So you let me just comment it to save time. Okay, so there is a missing braces for our method. Okay, because the first brace is for the class and the second brace should be for the method. Okay, so this is how you are going to accept user inputs. Let me just comment on all the things that we've done. Okay, so this is how you are going to accept user inputs. So you call the scanner class, then you create an object. So maybe you can name it scanner. You can see this one is a class and this one is a variable, so or an object. So that's why I'm using a small letter. If I use a capital letter, it means I'm calling the class again. So equal to new scanner. Okay, so this one is actually a constructor. So I'm calling system.in, and this is what is going to accept user input. So let's accept something from the user. So let's run it and see what will happen. Okay, so it was built successfully, meaning our class was able to code successfully. Okay, so this is how you are going to accept something from the user. So let's create let's say a string, something like that, a string. So string name. Okay, let's ask for the user's name. So string name is equal to scanner dot next line dot next line. I don't know why you gave me next, but I need next line. Why is it giving me? Okay, so let me check what is wrong with my code. They say cannot find symbol. Okay, I think I have to make this capital. So Java is very, very case sensitive. So you have to be very, very careful when you are dealing with it. Otherwise, you're going to waste a lot of time. But with the IDE, you can actually know whether you are making a mistake or not. That's the best part of the IDE. So right now, if you run it, you are going to accept data from the user. So you can see scanner is requesting for data from the user. So I can type and press enter, and it has accepted the data. But let's make it lovely, a little bit lovely. So let's ask for the user's name. So we can just type system.out.println. Then you bring your string quotes. Then please enter your name. Okay, so after accepting the name, let's output the name. So you can just type, let's just copy it to save time. Then let's use the string here to output the name. So let's add something to spice up. So plus, always know that when you add string, it means you are bringing them together. We call it concatenation. So your name is, okay. So let's run this and see. So let's type, how should I name it? Okay, KIT. So you can see, please enter your name. After entering the name, your name is KIT, meaning our program is working correctly. So next time you are going to do something fancy a bit that will make you understand it very well. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.